Have you ever wondered where people kept their money before banks even existed? Imagine carrying everything you owned in a small leather bag, hoping no one would steal it. Believe it or not, the world's first bank completely changed human history, and it all started thousands of years ago. Thousands of years ago, there were no ATMs, no credit cards, and definitely no online banking. If you had silver, gold, or valuable goods, you had only one option: keep everything with you. And that was far more dangerous than you might imagine. Traveling merchants faced an even bigger problem. Every journey meant risking everything they owned. One group of thieves could erase years of hard work in a single night. People needed a place they could truly trust, somewhere safer than their own homes, somewhere powerful enough that nobody would dare steal from it. That safe place wasn't a bank, at least not yet. Surprisingly, the first trusted vaults were actually temples. People believed the gods would protect whatever was left inside. When someone wanted to leave their silver inside the temple, the priests didn't just hide it away. They carefully recorded every deposit on wet clay tablets. The owner's name, the amount of silver, and the exact date were all written down. Thousands of years later, archaeologists would discover these tablets and realize they were looking at the earliest banking records in human history. People didn't trust the buildings. They trusted the reputation of the temples. Stealing from a holy place wasn't just considered a crime. It was believed to be an offense against the gods themselves. That belief made temples safer than almost anywhere else. As more people trusted the temples, trade became easier. Merchants no longer needed to carry every piece of silver wherever they traveled. Their wealth could remain safely stored while they focused on buying, selling, and expanding their businesses. It was a simple idea, but it changed civilization forever. In many cases, the clay tablet itself became proof that someone owned money inside the temple. It worked much like a receipt today. If you returned with the correct record, you could claim your silver back. Imagine holding one of the world's first banking receipts in your own hands. Over time, these trusted systems became more organized. Temples were no longer the only places protecting people's wealth. Professional money keepers appeared, lending money, exchanging currencies, and creating the foundation of what we now recognize as the world's first true banks. As people began trusting these early banking systems, a new idea was born. Instead of letting silver sit untouched, temples and wealthy money keepers started lending it to merchants. A trader could borrow money, buy more goods, sell them in another city, and return the silver later. It was one of the first forms of investment, and it helped entire civilizations grow faster than ever before. Of course, borrowing money wasn't free. In many ancient civilizations, borrowers had to return a little more than they received. That extra payment was the earliest form of interest. Even 4,000 years ago, people already understood that money could create more money. As banking became more common, rulers realized they needed clear rules. One of the most famous examples was the Code of Hammurabi. These ancient laws explained how loans should work, how debts must be repaid, and what happened if someone failed to return borrowed money. It was one of the earliest financial law systems in history. The idea spread from Mesopotamia to Egypt, Greece, and later the Roman Empire. Every civilization improved the system a little more. Money changers appeared in busy markets, merchants trusted written records, and banking slowly became an essential part of everyday life. Today, billions of people trust banks without even thinking about it. We transfer money with a tap, save our earnings digitally, and invest with a few clicks. But every modern bank, every ATM, every mobile banking app can trace its roots back to those ancient temples where people simply wanted one thing: a safe place to protect what mattered most. What do you think will replace banks in the future? AI, digital currencies, or something we haven't imagined yet? Tell me in the comments. Everything has a beginning. Every beginning has a story. Let's discover it.